Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use HTML headings and paragraphs to structure your web page content clearly and effectively. Headings are used to create titles and subtitles in your HTML documents. You have 6 labels, each one is the biggest and most important. Usually for main titles, then comes H2, H3 all the way down to H6, which is the smallest. Let's see some examples. Now let me save this file and then run it. And here is the web page. You can see the H1 tag, this is the H2 tag, and this is the H3, and this is the H6. You can clearly see the size gaps. Now let's come to the paragraph tag. Paragraphs are blocks of text wrapped inside p tags. They help break your content into readable chunks. You can add as many paragraphs as you want. Now let's see example. If we run it, and here is the paragraph tag. Let's clear all this and see some examples. Right. So here is the full code here. Let me format the document. And here is the full code. It's a H1 tag. This says welcome to my website. And this is the P tag. This is the introduction paragraph. There is another P tag. Here is some information in a second paragraph. It's about me heading, H2 heading. Another P tag, paragraph tag, and there's a H3 heading. Let us see. We need to save this. And then we're gonna check what this says. Here. This is the H1 tag, and this is the paragraph text. Two paragraph tag. This is one. This is two. That's why in the separate line. This H2 tag, and this is another paragraph tag. And my hobby is H3 tag. I love coding, gramming, and reading. There's the paragraph tag. Here's a simple example using headings and paragraphs. You can see the main title, some paragraphs, and subheadings organizing the text. Using proper headings and paragraphs not only makes your page easy to read for visitors but also improves SEO and accessibility for screen readers. That's it for today. Quick HTML tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more coding videos. Thanks for watching.